and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Liane, and today I'm going to show you how you can differentiate the activities in our teacher resources in order to customize them to meet the needs of your students. Here I am on my teacher dashboard, and I'm going to scroll down to the section where the teacher resources are. Storyboard That has over 3,000 resources made by teachers for teachers. I'm going to use this handy search tool to see if there are any lessons for the book that I'm doing with my students. And I see that there are. There are many activities for a novel study on the book holes. I'm going to click on this plot diagram activity. This looks like it would be an engaging way for my students to retell the important parts of the book in a visual storyboard. I'd like them to complete this after they finish reading the book as an assessment. So I'm going to copy this activity. Now it is being brought into my teacher dashboard for me to use however I want. If I want, I could change the title to simply whole summary, update title. I can also change the instructions by clicking here, and then I can write them in whatever manner will make sense to my students. Below the instructions is the area to add a template for your students. This is what your students will see when they begin their assignment, and it can include as little or as much information as you would like. As you can see here, there is a template included with this assignment for a 6-cell plot diagram to show the narrative arc of the story. If I wanted, I could edit this template by clicking here. However, I do like it for some of my students, but I would also like to add another template that I think would be more effective for some other students of mine. So I will click here to create a new template. When I click this button, it is going to take me into the Storyboard That Creator, where first I'm going to give my storyboard a name, beginning, middle, end, summary template. I am in single cell view. If I would like to see the full storyboard layout, I simply click here. And I'm going to go up to this layout button so that I can add titles and descriptions to the top and bottom of each cell. When you are happy with the preview, you simply hit OK. I can click on Advanced to add title emphasis and description emphasis to my storyboard. In this way, all of the cells will have white writing on a black background to make them really stand out. For this storyboard, I am going to add to the titles beginning, middle, and end. And students will have to include images and descriptions of what happens in the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and the end of the story. You could add sentence starters or prompts here. You can also include some art that you would like students to use from here, but I'm going to leave it like that and click Save and Exit. Now I'm going to go back to my assignment so that you can see that under templates, there are 2 now. You can add as many templates as you would like and then guide the students to the template that best fits their needs. This activity also comes with an example so that students can see what a finished storyboard could look like. If you would like them to see this example, simply click Show This to My Students. This example could also be customized by clicking the Edit button here. And that is how you differentiate an activity from our existing teacher resources. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.